This video shows how to set up and run a geometry optimization job for nitrogen trifluoride using WebMO. First, open the molecular energy job you have already done. Verify that the NF3 geometry contains the default tetrahedral bond angles. Click Continue. Continue. Choose Gaussian. Include opt in the job name and choose Geometry Optimization, keeping the other parameters unchanged. When the job is complete, click the job name to see the results. Measure the bond angles, which in the optimized geometry here are smaller than the original. In the Geometry Sequence Energies table, click the magnifying glass to see the step versus energy graph, and export the data points to a local text file. These points can be plotted by hand or imported into your favorite spreadsheet. Log out. Finally, check Wikipedia, which contains entries for many molecules. We see that the experimental FNF bond angle is 102.5 degrees, whereas geometry optimization at the B3LYP 631 GDP level of theory gave 101.8 degrees. The end.